at the same time. My God, I love that. I just love that.
Oh, it scares me.
I look dramatic. And the wind. And then the wind was like your hair. It's horrible, that noise. When I turned around, I saw it to see. You squeeze me harder when there's a clown around. Look at my mom, she's like freaked out. It's been sprinkling, really cool. That one was right behind you.
Oh, I'm not okay.
She squeezes me harder when there's a clown around. It's not that bad.
She just she has some work but she didn't struck her because at the time she was on her cell phone.
The one behind you was really big. I saw it with my eye, but the camera was still pointed forward. Arlene. Go, run! I know, go. Hurry before you get hit by lightning. I'm not kidding, run. I'm not kidding, run. Brandon! Freaking epic, man. That's sprinkling over here.
It is. Yeah, look at the top. Dude! What is it around to
Ooh!
That's a big
wow. I zoomed into the
zigzag
line
thingy.
and believe, and then when I zoomed out, it cracked.
I think you didn't bring the cable that goes
I'm Genie in a bottle.
Dude, what did Dr. Miss Megatron's voice sound
That was more than one.
I think
Did you see that?
what did
From here?
Megatron's voice sound like?
Same thing.